In this short video, I will show you how the dimensions of equipment can be recorded in Smart Welding Manager. This feature can be used in a PC or Mac or through our tablet apps. All the equipment that are being fabricated for a project can be added in this screen. You may add a new item and its drawings if you have the right privileges. When you select an item, you can see all drawings associated to it. Click on the Annotate button to open the interface to record dimensions. In a few clicks, you can record the labels and dimensions. You can move the dimension markers around and resize them. You can also use this interface to record comments to help produce as-built drawings. The dimensions report can be viewed. Printed, or exported as a spreadsheet file for further analysis. In this example, the spreadsheet contains the specified dimensions and tolerances. You can easily analyze the exported data and check compliance to the specified requirements. The marked up drawings may be included in the project data book or turnover pack. Our tablet apps can work in online or offline modes. You can view the drawings at site without the internet, mark the dimensions, and sync the data when internet is available. Smart Welding Manager is not only a comprehensive welding management application, it can also help you manage other aspects of fabrication. Try it for free today and discover how we can help you transform your business.